welcome back to this channel. My name is Maureen Muhia and this is DIY with Jojo. I'd like to Maureen Muhia and DIY with Jojo back here on your screen with a new video.
Yeah, we're going thrifting today.
We are. I'm so excited.
Me too.
Yeah?
So,
do you think we're gonna find nice stuff?
I'm sure we will. But
Yeah,
we are
but-
kind of late.
No, it's her fault. It's her fault. I was here on time.
Yeah, but I was late.
Yeah.
A few minutes.
minutes.
We'll see if it will make a big difference.
Go.
So we got here late. We got here at 9:20 and red nights 10:10. Yeah, so we're still waiting for people to leave their stuff.
We're hopeful. We're very hopeful.
Yeah, but Mo has gotten some stuff.
I've got. Look, I even got a double insulated car.
Yeah, so we're still waiting. Let me turn and show you the other side. Mo is busy scavenging for treasures in the boxes.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Heavy.
It's very, it looks.
Hold it.
Look at it.
I want to see this to come.
I have no idea because it's so small. Like 2 sips of coffee and you're done. Ama maybe espresso. How are those stuff?
I liked them, but it's one. It's just one of everything.
Yes.
So you can't. You need a set, like the kettles.
That was a very good find. She got those little blue kettles. We'll show them to you. But they were very nice. So Mo got some interesting kettles for display.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Hata si zao ni 9 plus 3 12. Si ni 5 na 4 na 3.
This kettle is 500. How?
Tutoe. Nimemuuzia It's okay. Yeah. No, le mwenye jira.
I'm tired. My head is hurting.
Sorry.
My head is hurting because I'm dehydrated.
Oh, you got taken water? But and the way I thought you drink water in the morning.
I did, but I didn't drink water yesterday.
Oh, so now.
Feeling effect.
Sorry. So our stuff is being packed and then
Mine is here.
yeah. So if you want to see the items that she got, I'll link her channel down in the description box below. So make sure you go and you subscribe and you watch. She got very good stuff.
Thank you.
She got really good stuff.
Thanks for bringing me, Jojo. I'm really happy.
Karibu sana.
We have to come back.
We have to. Next time
Next time
we come
we're going to be
earlier.
on time.
Yes. Today you are late. So we didn't get a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
But at least we got something.
Yeah.
Yeah, the trip was not in vain.
Thank you so much.
Karibu sana. Karibu.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
So guys, I'm back home and I wanted to show you some of the things that I did get today, but since we got there late, we didn't get a lot of items, but I was lucky to get a few items. So I'll start with the mugs, the cups. So the first thing that I did get was this cup. It's written Morning Sunshine. I hope you can see it well. So I got this cup for my bestie. She's called Kagwe, but I call her Sunshine. So when I saw this cup, I knew this would be the perfect gift for her. So she could take her morning tea and even take it to the office, and it could be her office cup. So this was it. The next thing I got were these clear coffee cups. They're the large size. So this is how they look. Oops, sorry. And they are quite heavy and they are perfect condition, and I like how tasty they are. So you can make your cappuccino at home and serve with this, and this would be so nice to serve to your guests with. The third item is this block of wood that you saw in the video that Maureen was saying that I got this for some DIYs. So this can be a base. I'll have to insert a photo for you at least to understand what kind of project I'll be doing with this. But the good thing is they're magnetic. So if I want to do 2 blocks, this will be nice. And I loved the texture, the raw feel of the wood, as you can see. So this would be a perfect block for a DIY project. Another item was this. Is it a plate? No, it's not a plate. It's like a trinket bowl. So you can come, place your keys. You can put it on top of your console table, and then when you get in, you just drop your keys. Or you can place it on top of your bedside table, and you can put your, even on top of your vanity. Yes, and you can place your earrings, and you can organize them here. So this is how it looks, and I love the gold detail at the bottom. At the base there's this gold line, and it goes perfectly. I love anything gold, so this would be perfect. And I'm thinking this would go on the vanity. Last but not least, I got this beautiful mirrored photo frame, but the glass inside is cracked. So what I intend to do with this is definitely I'm going to replace the glass, but this should be like 50 shillings. So this is such a deal. And I got this picture frame. Let me show you how it looks, for only 200 bob. But the thing is, it had the cracked mirror, so that's why it was cheaper. And Mo got a small mirrored frame, no, not frame, picture frame. You should go check her video and see the items that she did get. So she got a very beautiful picture frame, a mirrored one, and this is the one that I got, but I have to do some work. But the thing is, you cannot get this even at House of Leather or the supermarket. So what I try to do is, whenever I go thrifting, I look for items that are not going to be found in the supermarket or even House of Leather. This will be a cheaper option for me. So this was it. And the last thing that I did get was this wooden placemat. So there were four of them in total, but someone grabbed 3 and I was left with only 1. But I'm thinking this is good, very good quality. So maybe I can place it on top of the kitchen countertop and organize items there. Or even I can buy handles from the hardware store and place them here and here, and it will be like a tray, just a styling tray, not something that I need to be carrying around. But this is such good quality. So guys, that is it. Those are the items that I bought from Gikomba. And make sure you go to Maureen Muhia's channel and check out her video, and you'll get to see how the journey to Gikomba, everything where we were there, people fighting for stuff. So you'll get to see all that on her channel. I'll link it in the description box below. So make sure you check it out, and I'll see you next Friday. So if you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the red subscribe button below. So I guess I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.